The Centre is likely to table the Constitution 125th Amendment Bill 2019 during the Parliament winter session in December. The Constitution 125th Amendment Bill 2019 intends to grant more financial, executive and administrative powers to the autonomous councils under the 6th schedule of the Constitution. Talking to reporters today, KHADC Chief Executive Member Panyat Singh Saim revealed that the delegation of the Council recently met Union Ministry of Home Affairs Advisor A.K. Mishra in Delhi to put forward the views and suggest of the Council on the proposed amendment.
Nabarok shpotli ki Autonomous Council hapon Northeast haka arpsan terik u Julai ya u Menteri Kampoye Amit Shah. De halor kata nakaliang ka Home Ministry kala constitute ya ka committee kaban kli da u Nitin Anand Rai pada Union Minister of State yang Home ban long kum chairman. De dangshan milala ban ya kendo bat milala ban ya selok ba habide ban keren sani ba habide kenika amendment